Well, now this is a more difficult question for me, certainly because in a small or medium-sized company, this mentorship is a very special one, and I think what the young lady said, to find people who have the will to do, who has a sensitivity for the young people, but still to be with the experience, what you said, perhaps. This is the only way. I can't advise in a system. I think in a small company, this is a very, very special and very individual. You have to find the right man for the job. You have to find somebody who wants to do it. And what we did, we made a combination. So let's say a team of two. So somebody who takes care of everything which is formal, has the experience and is ready to share, because this is the most important, exactly. As you said, somebody who is ready to share his knowledge with the young student. And another one, I also put some of the younger people, because probably communication, to understand the problems of the company, to understand the structure, logistics, and so on of the company, not at a formal level, but let's say so on a kind of a personal level, works better. So what I observed that in the company, I always, when we have students, we put somebody who wants to do it. I don't give an order to somebody, you do that. I have a discussion with those couple of people, maybe 5, 6 people, are able to do this job. And then we will select, according to their proposals, according to their ideas, who will take care of students. The other one is, from the young people, we also select a kind of a partner, I should say. Better than a tutor is not a tutor, so a partner who can help in some of the individual problems. And it works, this combination worked. Till now I had no problem with this combination, but I emphasize this is specific for small and middle-sized companies, because in a larger company certainly the system is different. There are very different compartments, there are dedicated people, but I am absolutely convinced from my practice, also in a small company, you find dedicated people. You find people who want to do it, who are ready to do it, and especially, as Professor has said, is older people, because they don't feel a kind of a danger of replacing them. They feel the challenge to educate somebody. They feel the challenge to bring in somebody, and they are very proud if they succeeded to obtain a good result. That's my personal experience, and it works quite well. And you know what is interesting? If I ask those people, 5, 6 people, I can discuss this matter with them. And I ask, who will do it? At least 3 people are definitely ready to do it. And this is extremely important, because if no one wants to do it, then I have to give the order, so you do it, and it doesn't work. But if I put a question, who want to do it, and I have 2 or 3 candidates, then this is a kind of a competition between them, and they try to demonstrate that they are not only willing to do, but also they are able to do. So that's a very special practice, and what I only can recommend to the small companies and to middle-sized companies, because you have seen that I am always talking about this category of companies. So small and middle-sized companies up to about 200, 250 people, because when it's bigger, then the picture changes, and the very small companies usually don't get involved in such kind of a dual education. So probably most of those companies who are really involved and could be successful in the dual education, there are companies between about 50 to 250. This is the order of magnitude. And there you will have to find dedicated people, individuals who want to do it and who are able to do it. And then you can make combination with some younger people also to make smoother the integration.
So that's my experience. Thank you. Experience. Thank you. Experience. Thank you. Experience. Thank you. Experience. Thank you.